Hey, this is Tycoon with Stock Market Investing Today. Today's September the 3rd, 2009. Today we're going to talk about buying shares, but before we do that, as usual, what we want to do is take a look at what the overall market did today and how to understand that. Now, if you've been following along, what we've been trying to do, you know, to get our trading philosophy established is the first step is to decide, is the market in an uptrend or is it in a downtrend? And you do that by looking at the price and volume action of certain indexes. And we're going to use three: the Standard & Poor's 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the NASDAQ Composite. Uh, if you invest in the market when the market is in a downward trend, there's a 75% chance, according to William O'Neill at the Investors Business Daily, that your stock will go down in value. So before you choose a stock, what you want to do is you want to investigate what the market's doing. And if it's in an uptrend, then that's when you want to pick stocks to invest in. If not, you should probably be in cash and look at selling any positions that you've got. Now, this information is available from investors.com. If you're not a subscriber, I'd encourage you to do that. But even if you're not, you can go to investors.com, the home page, and you'll see here that the indexes are listed at the top of the page. Now we can look at today's S&P 500 and see that it was down today, but it's really better to look at it in a chart. Now, we're not really focusing on the overall trend so much as we're just trying to figure out whether today the market was under accumulation or if it was under distribution or if it was neutral. And the way you do that is by first looking at the price. And in this case, the value of the index went down today by a slight amount, and the volume was less than the previous day. So this market does not count as a distribution day or an accumulation day. And then what you would do is look at each individual index for that price and volume action. What you want to do is get a real good handle on what the market does each day, and then later on, once we recognize accumulation and distribution days, then we're going to put together a trend. Now, additionally, you can go to IBD TV and they'll go over what the market did today, and that will help you learn what to look for and whether they consider the market to be under accumulation or under distribution. Now, the second part of this, what I wanted to do was talk a little bit about how to buy shares. Uh, what's harder than buying shares online is actually picking the stock that you want to purchase. Actually buying shares is really pretty easy. Now, if you want to get some practice at it, if you're not experienced at it, what I suggest you do is you go and like Option Express here, you can open an account with them and have a virtual trading platform that's pretty similar to what you'd actually experience. And here you'll notice that I can go to a virtual trade screen and have the stock purchase screen here. And let's say today I wanted to buy AIG, then I put the symbol in there, and then I would choose buy, and the quantity, let's say I wanted to buy 100 shares. I would leave it as a market order and good until canceled, and then I would preview my order. In this case, then I'd want to make sure that it was the exact stock that I wanted to purchase, and then this was what it was trading for. And so if I want to buy 100 shares of that, you can see that the estimated order is going to cost me $3,864.95. The commission is $14.95, so I have to make sure I have enough money in my account to place that order. Otherwise, the order will fail. Now, if I'm not happy with the order, I can change it or cancel it and come back. And if I'm happy with the order, then I can go ahead and place it. Once you place your order, if the market's opened, then it'll be executed pretty quickly, and the order is good until you cancel it. So if you like if I place the order now when the market is closed, obviously they're going to wait until the market opens. So anyway, I hope that lesson's helpful. Talk to you next time. This is Tycoon. Have a great day.